Hello students, I hope these videos are useful for you and are helping you to be in touch of your studies. If any kinds of doubts are there, please feel free to ask those in the comment section. So today we are going to study about our next chapter, which is about subject, verb and agreement. But before beginning with that, I would like to give you a quick intro about what a subject, verb and agreement means. What is a subject? Subject is doer of action. The very particular person or thing which is performing or doing that very work, that is the doer of action. What is a verb? Verb is action itself. It comes in two main parts over there, main verb and the helping verb. Your main verb will be main action words, running, walking, sleeping, like those. And your helping verb is am, are, was, were, has, have been, all those. And what does this very agreement means? Agreement means your subject and verb should agree with each other. Your verb should be same in number as well as in person also as the subject is there. For example, see here in this example, Atul and Amit were present. Here, Atul and Amit both were different subjects over there, two subjects. That means our verb will also be plural. Plural subjects, verb will be plural. Likewise, we can go through the different rules here over in this very page, which will tell us which very particular verb we can use according to the rules and regulations. For example, if singular subjects are joined by and, as we have done in the earlier example, it was joined by and, your verb will be plural. If your subjects are joined by each and every, not joined by, are preceded by each and every and are joined by the very word and, your verb will be singular, because in the meaning itself each and every means single thing. If your subject is singular, your verb will also be singular. When two singular nouns are referring to same person over there, then your verb will be singular, because basically they are talking about one single thing. For example, the dancer and singer is dead. Here the dancer and singer, both are being talked about one person only, a one particular person who was the dancer as well as singer. So one thing, verb will be singular. But if it is referring to two different persons over there, then your verb will also be plural. See the example, the director and the actor have just entered the hall. Here the director and the actor, two different people are there. So plural verb will be used. Every rule has its own exception, like this was exception of the first rule. So please read it carefully and mark these rules as I have marked on this very page, and please write those rules on your notebook along with one example over there. See this, if your singular subjects are joined by or, either or, neither nor, they all means they are single, right? So your verb will also be singular. But here is an exception to this very rule also. If more than one people are there, numbers are there, different numbers are there, then your verb will be plural. Here Hima or her friends, Hima and her friends are there. Both are different subjects over there. But here these are plural subjects over there. More number is there. So your verb will also be plural. Likewise, on the very next page also, see this very rule. If they are joined by the very word with, together as well as, then your verb will agree with the first subject over there. First subject of the sentence. See the example. The teacher with all the students of his class has signed the letter. Here which was the first subject? The teacher. It was the first subject. So your verb will agree with it. It was singular, so your verb has been singular. Likewise, if collective noun is there and it is referring to a collection as a whole, means as a one single thing, it will be singular. But if it is separately being referred to other things over there, it will be plural. See the example, the crew was large. Here it has been talked about as a one single crew over there. But here in this very exception, the crew were taken prisoners. Here single people are being talked about. All the people who were there in that very crew are being talked about. So it will be plural. Similarly, if a noun is denoting a name of a place, institution or a title of book, your verb will be singular. See the example, Udaipur is known for its lakes. Simple. Udaipur is a name of a place. so its verb will be singular. Like these, the words which are expressing the quantity, like number of, majority of, a lot of, the meaning itself is clear. It means many, so verb will be plural. So by going through these rules and regulations, you will be easily able to solve the assignment of this very chapter. So please do try to solve this assignment and write the rules and regulations on your English 1's notebook. Thank you.